National Shrine of Our Lady of Mercy. Ayan. Thank you, Lord. Naabot ako na bago magsara ang religious store ng National Shrine of Our Lady of Mercy. Makukuha nyo na po dito ang libro kong Finding My Way Home. Pwede po mag-order dito kay Ate Nonata. Alright. Okay. Mission accomplished.